believe that it's summertime again.
A flashing yellow left turn.
Yeah.
It's to make sure yield. You cannot turn on the red light. When it starts to flash, it may yield.
Main Street.
Red means no left turns. And now a flashing yellow arrow means okay to make a left turn. Hey, I can't see. Whoa.
So you're thankful for candy, but like Leo, usually you're supposed to eat turkey and stuffing for Thanksgiving, remember? I know you don't like turkey, but like we'll have to maybe get you a pizza beforehand or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get you a pizza beforehand.
Or maybe we can get you like Subway.
Pops microwave or something. How about that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure Pop has a microwave.
I am making a video. Can you please be quiet, alright?
Okay, I'll be quiet. Or you can just edit out my voice, Leo.
I'm making a video.
Fine.
Flashing yellow left turn. He saw the flashing yellow left turn signal.
There's somebody that lives up north and lives there during the summer and then flies down south or just goes down south
On the winter
to the
time.
winter time.
So, but we are not that bad.
No.
We are more like the what is those?
Snow.